So autumn comes around and you're thinking, let's go again. So preparing your veggie patch for autumn is a little bit different to what you've probably done over spring and summer. So if you've had a spring-summer crop in your veggie patch, first and foremost you need to clean up your patch. Remove any spent debris from your previous summer crop. Start incorporating compost back into the soil to get the health and vitality required. The other thing that you'll need to adjust as you move into the cooler months of the year is how much water or irrigation you apply to your patch. So you're going to be using probably less water than you were during the hot summer months. But autumn's a terrific time to be growing veggies. You've got some beautiful coloured varieties that can really add some splash into your autumn-winter veggie mix. Things like the rainbow silver beet here, or purple broccoli. If you're in a frosty area, make sure you select frost-tolerant varieties. If you're not sure about which varieties are more frost-tolerant than others, then I'd suggest you contact your local garden centre, who will have all that information and be able to steer you in the right direction. One of the more popular autumn varieties is broccoli, and the variety that I've got here today is Bambino, which has smaller florets than traditional broccoli. The tip with Bambino though is to remove the first floret that comes up when it gets to about the size of a 10-cent piece. Just prune it out of the centre of the plant, and that'll encourage a lot of side florets to be produced. So you'll get a great harvest from just one plant. It's really important to make sure you get your spacing spot on. So with broccoli Bambino, the spacing guide is on the front of the tag here, which is 60 to 80 centimetres. So gently tap out your plant. Create a nice hole about 1.5 to 2 times the diameter of the root ball, and sit your seedling slightly above soil level, just to ensure that no water congregates around the base of the seedling. So clean out all your old veggies from summer, adjust your irrigation, select frost-tolerant varieties, and have a bit of fun with some of these colourful varieties this season over autumn.